cleanliness.
How dirty! This place stinks!
Be careful.
Mummy, are you hurt?
No, I'm fine. Someone must have spilled a drink here.
We made it in time.
Be careful through all that rubbish. Alice, will you please remove the newspapers and sit there?
Why do people throw things on the floor? The chain is so dirty and smelling as well.
Welcome. We are so happy to see you.
Thank you. This place is so different. It's clean.
Come, let's throw the food wrappers in that garbage bin.
It's such a joy to walk on these streets. There's no garbage lying around, no foul smell.
Yes, all of us here are participating in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. We are trying to keep the place clean.
Let's take you to the Jubilee Park. You will see how clean the park is.
How green, how clean. Oops, I dropped my juice can.
Pick it up and throw in the dustbin marked dry. When the bin is emptied, the can will be taken for recycling.
Alice, what are you flicking away at?
The roads, the bus stops, the bus, they're all so clean. I must show these pictures to my friends.
We do not litter or spit on the roads. That is why there are no mosquitoes which cause diseases like malaria and dengue here.
I wish people in our city could also understand the benefits of cleanliness. So, Alice, did you enjoy your stay here?
Yes, I did. I clicked pictures of the clean streets, markets, bus stops and the park. I can't wait to show them to my friends. They should know that cities also can be kept clean like houses and neighborhoods. Every city and town should be clean, healthy and beautiful. Let's work together to make our cities and towns clean and green.